We love Hakka to enrich your Taiwan experience. Learn about Hakka language and culture.
每天收听客家风情，学习另一种不同文化，让你生活更有趣。
Hello everyone, it is time for our Hakka lesson of the day on ICRT.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我係 Alice Pong
And Gai Joseph Ling. It is time to tell people more about what's happening with the Hakka affairs. And also, this is a great chance to teach vocabulary associated with the internet. 其实网络现在大家都是很普遍的在用，对不对？我们从来没有教过这个網路的一些生字哦。經常上網嗎？
有啊，看信啊，
看信
啊，
哦，
看信，
我會看信。看信 okay. Read your emails, go online, etc., etc. And also the fact that this month, all the way up to the 24th, there's an activity that's going on with the Hakka affairs that ties in with the internet. Anyways, 我们先来教一些跟这个网络有关的一些这个生字好了，然后顺便也跟大家讲一个这个客委会所举办的一个线上游戏，好不好？
好。
OK， 网络咯 ，Internet。
網路。
網路 that's the internet. Okay, let's say you just want to go online. 你要上網。
上廟。
真妙啊！神廟 Okay, so 廟 is basically a network， 就是網的意思。哦 ，OK。然後呢，很多这个不管是小朋友、大朋友，这个到網上就是要玩線上遊戲。
線上遊戲。
線上遊戲。Oh, okay, that's online gaming. Okay, and finally, we want to tell people because from now all the way till September 15th, you can actually participate in a Hakka game, online game that is a
線上
遊戲. Okay, you can play a 線上遊戲 on www.hakka.gov.tw. Check the Hakka Affairs website and you will see how you can learn Hakka and play a game and win some great prizes too from the Hakka Affairs. So this is something really special. Go check it out. 听说有好奖可以拿，而且还可以这个学客家话，对不对？
错啊。
哦，
你会教吗？
我啊，我对啊，
我应该。
什么是吃看呢？
试看看，试试看，
试试看是不是 ？I should try it out. Yeah, 吃看呢？
吃看呢
That means try it out. Okay. Well, let's go ahead and review those words again for the internet. The internet, 網路。Oh, 網路 that's the internet. If you're going online, 上網。
上廟。
And finally, online gaming.
線上遊戲。
線上遊戲。There you go. That's our Hakka lesson of the day.
什麼大家？
俺是誰張來了。
客家風情由行政院客家委員會監製，邀您一起體驗另一種不同的客家文化之美。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Council for Hakka Affairs of the Executive Yuan to enrich your Taiwan experience.